Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off the touch and hold to edit lock screen function in Samsung S22. So what are we turning off? When we have our lock screen, we can touch and hold. Of course, we need to unlock our phone. And now we can edit our lock screen. To turn this option off, we need to go to Settings, then Lock Screen, and here we have Touch and Hold to Edit function. We simply uncheck this little box, back out, and now this Touch and Hold function is turned off. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.